Welcome to SHVS Dental Academy. In the last video, I had talked about the medical versus dental distribution of the INICET last 3 years papers, means 6 papers, okay? And we are talking about the medical versus dental distribution. Our total number of questions were close to 1200, 1188 recalls, out of which 921 predominant percentage was from dental and only small percentage from medical. This video we are going to look at a deep dive we'll have and look at which subjects are being asked more. This tabulated form is quite confusing, so I'll give you an easier graph to study. You look at this medical weightage, and if you look here, surprisingly, anatomy has the highest weightage. Some of the questions could go to general path and medicine, but still anatomy remains the most important subject. That is something to really think about, okay? Second number is Pharmac. Okay, Pharmac is also being asked a lot, okay, and Pharmac is very volatile. So if you are revising medical subjects as last minute, you know where to focus. As far as general path and medicine are concerned, they are having equal weightage as physiology. Okay, so on the third number you will have general path medicine, physiology. I always say general surgery has very low weightage, which you can see here. General surgery, many of these questions could also go to oral surgery based on general anesthesia and all. The whole of general surgery comprised of this trauma as well as general anesthesia, predominantly in INICET. Okay, micro has low weightage, biochemistry has slightly more weightage than micro. Okay, so this is about the weightage on the medical side. Let's look at the weightage on the dental side. If you look at the numbers, these are the numbers of the total number of questions over the last 3 years, which means 6 papers per subject, and table seems very confusing, so let's look at the graph again. If you look at this graph, picture becomes very clear. I always stress the most important subject for your NEET and INI exam is always oral pathology and OMR, okay? So 165 questions on oral pathology and OMR, okay? Then you have, on second number, you have community dentistry, which again I stress that OPath, OMR and community are the most important subjects you need to study. On the third number, surprisingly, we have oral surgery. Oral surgery will have a lot of disciplines including local and general anesthesia, okay, some parts of trauma, which is like craniofacial trauma is going to come here. So all that is going to be there in oral surgery. After that, you have multiple subjects like perio, ortho, cons, prostho. Prostho has 4 disciplines, but its total weightage is same as the other 3 subjects. As you can see, if you look at this pie chart, things are going to become very clear. Okay, if you look at oral path and OMR, it has around 18% weightage. 2 subjects, 18% weightage. Okay, OPath OMR is combined here. On the second number, you have community after OPath OMR, as we had already talked. And then you have on the third level oral surgery. You have the perio, you have the ortho, prostho, okay? So all these come at the next level. Now, the last ones which have the least weightage. The least weightage comes to these 2, surprisingly, okay? One of them is dental materials and the other one is dental anatomy. This is a slightly skewed graph because many of the questions from DM must be going to other disciplines like prostho and all. So that is something which you need to take with a star. Don't think DM per se is less important. DM ke questions aate hain. That is what I want to tell you. Although the data might look a little skewed because many of these questions from DM might have gone to prostho and cons and all, making DM look quite small. Actually, it will not be that small. Okay, DA, DH definitely remains small, but yeah, sometimes some important questions come which can decide the topper. Okay, so that is what you need to see. The topper might be decided by the small areas, but yes, overall how much time you need to spend on revising these subjects, you can see for yourself. Same with pedo, it can decide the top level students, but yes, the overall weightage remains quite low. So this is about what you need to focus upon medical versus dental and subject wise analysis. I hope you found this video useful. See you again. Bye bye.